If you've noticed that your WordPress website looks great on a desktop but isn't displaying properly on mobile devices, this is a common issue that can affect your site's usability and even worse, your search engine rankings. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step by step process to fix your WordPress site's mobile display issues and make sure it's fully responsive. Before we make any changes, let's confirm that your site is indeed having mobile display issues. You can use Google's mobile friendly test to quickly analyze how your site looks on mobile. Just head over to Google's mobile friendly test. You just need to enter your website's URL and hit test. Google will then show you a preview of your how your site looks on your mobile and alert you to any potential issues. If your site passes but you're still seeing issues, let's move on to the next step. Make sure your WordPress theme is actually mobile responsive. Some older themes or poorly coded themes might not be optimized for mobile devices. Thankfully, most modern themes are built to be responsive, but it's still a good idea to double check. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Appearance, then Themes. Check if your current theme supports mobile devices. Most premium themes or those from reliable theme providers like Astra, Ocean, or GenerateBase are responsive by default. If your theme is outdated, you might want to consider switching to one of those mobile friendly themes. Now, another great way to fix mobile display issue is by customizing your layout specially for mobile devices. If you're using a page builder like Elementor or WP Bakery, this tool lets you edit how your device on pages looks on mobile. And that's it. You've got now a solid understanding of how to fix mobile display issues on your WordPress.